So friends, let's start with today's delicious ribbon coconut cake recipe. So here I've taken half a cup of freshly grated coconut and I'm going to grind it as fine as possible. Transfer this to a bowl. Now in another bowl I'm going to add half a cup of butter, which is at room temperature, to which I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. Now I'm going to whisk the butter and the sugar really well for about a minute. You can use icing sugar or you can just take regular sugar and grind it to a very fine consistency in your mixer jar. Now whisk the two that they are really mixed in well together. Add 2 eggs. And again 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And whisk in the eggs and the essence really well. So this vanilla essence also takes off the smell of or the odor of the eggs as well as adds a flavor. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a cup of fine or medium semolina or rava or sooji. Mix everything well together. Now we're going to preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Add 1/4 cup of milk and add the coconut, the freshly grated coconut which we made into a very fine powder, and mix everything really well together. It's very important to preheat your oven always for 10 minutes at the temperature that you're going to be baking. Now I've divided the mixture into 3 halves. So one I've added a gel food color of light green and 1 pink, and I've left 1 as it is. Now in my 7x7 inch cake tin, which I've just lined with some butter paper, I'm going to add half of the white batter. Make the first layer with the single plain batter, second layer pink. You can choose whatever colors you want, and see that they don't mix up together. So very gently do the second layer, pat the cake tin lightly, and then you're going to put the topmost layer, the green layer. Now I have a recipe for normal ribbon cake. In that you mix everything together. So here we're not going to mix, we're just going to layer the 3 distinct layers. And now again I'm going to put the 4th layer, which is the plain layer, since I had some of the white mixture remaining. And now I'm going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes and let it cool to room temperature before we demold it. Take off the butter paper and cut into it. So you can check by inserting a knife and it should come out clean. Don't cut the cake when it's very hot because it will all disintegrate. There's no flour in this cake. Now demold the cake and cut the cake into squares like this. And you will see the 3 distinct layers. So our coconut and semolina cake is all ready to enjoy. Do try out this recipe, guys. Today's recipe. I hope you're going to give it a try. Do let me know in the comment section below what you thought of today's recipes. Thank you so much for visiting my channel today. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. So I'll sign off, but before signing off, let me tell you my message as usual, which is stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till we meet again, this is Akshata signing off. Bye.